Hey designers! In this tutorial we will make a spiral background. First of all, take the gradient tool. Now select the color of your choice. I'll select this yellowish-brown shade. The background color is white. If you look here, it has made us a gradient of our foreground and background color. So let's apply gradient here. Now go to Filter, Distort, Wave. Make the type square. Increase the wavelength and number of generators. Okay. We got a striped pattern here. Again, go to Filter, Distort, Polar Coordinates. Select Rectangular to Polar. Okay. Hope you like this video. Don't leave without liking and subscribing.